Hello everyone, welcome back to the Haripriya lectures. Here we'll continue with the Widgets basics and we'll continue with the last video. We'll see on the row columns within my screen, right? What are the things we will categorize through in row and columns, all those things we will continue over here. First one is the row widgets, and row is a column widget is a horizontally widgets. They rarely rather than we will working in my vertically through in my construct screen. Next one I will giving us some example on the how to create in a row in a Flutter application. First one is we are creating a new row, right? First writing on the new row, or is always a capital. Now open a bracket. Main axis alignment, that is one of the keyword to creating in your row. And next one is a main axis alignment or space even actually. Okay, I will create the row in a even sides over in my row. So I will giving on the even space evenly. Space is giving on the evenly. Okay, in next one is the children. I will create here I will create in the new widgets. In the coding page we are having clicking on this particular line means if I am having a some bulb image over in my coding page. Okay, if you see on the practical side you have to notice it over there. Here I will having a some bulb images. I will clicking over the particular bulb images, putting on the right click, writing on the new widgets in my child. I click on the widgets. I click widgets. Okay, it will be creating one structure of the widgets. I will creating on the new widget. Okay, so this is a thing, it will be created widgets new text. What is the text I want to inside in my row? Okay, that is the non-wedge elements. Okay, I'll giving the new text also inside my widgets. Okay, so close my widgets. This is a creating on the new row in my Flutter applications. Okay, center means the center the child widget which comes inside it. Okay, in my screen we will giving on the text in the center, so inside in my screen. Okay, that is the thing here. And same whatever thing I will do in my row, same thing will be creating on the center also. Okay, will creating the new widgets also, new text also I will giving putting over here. I will giving on the center just two different things I will over here. The one is here I will creating new row, here I will giving the new column over in my text. Okay, this is the difference between the row and the center. Okay, and next one is the padding. Okay, what is mean by padding? Padding is the specified direction in my row and column. Okay, that is called the padding. Okay, where I will place in my row and column, that is the edges through in my padding side. Okay, how it will be create? You have to always creating the padding. In next padding colon constantly I will using on the edge inset that all 6.0. Okay, in all the edges will be calling a 6.0. This padding will be creating over there. In the padding I will creating on the one text widgets over there. Okay, and child colon new text, that is called the element 1. I will giving the element 1, right? This particular text will be displayed over the padding side, displayed in my row. Okay, that is the padding. Second, the scaffold. Scaffold is it may app bar in my folding actions, in my images, in my text, where it will be placed to deciding through in my screen. That particular direction, the particular work will be working in scaffold. Scaffold is working the where my widgets will be placed on my screen. That is the scaffold. Okay, and this is an essential widgets. Whatever application I will use, I'm using the scaffold also. Okay, and such as the buttons on the background granted. Okay, and next one is the Flutter layouts. Okay, I will creating on the row and column and screen, all those things, scaffold, all those things I will create in over there. And next I will giving the layouts. Okay, in my screen. Okay, first one is the row column grids will be arranging on the visible widgets. It's also the widget through using in the UX design. Okay, user interface designs. Okay, for example, we can see the below image. You have seen here, this image shows the icons with the label under each one. Each and every mobile phone will having this screen. Okay, as my sharing on WhatsApp, I'm sharing on the share it, all those things I will over here, right? The containers will widgets will be creating through the child widgets. Okay, child dot container. Okay, you will see on the last screen. Okay, you have to checking over there, child dot container. Okay, it will be used through the border, padding, margin and background colors in your screen. Okay, these are things will be working over there. The visual layout above the image, these image will be shown how it will be container will be placed in your screen. Okay, it will be shown over here, right? First we will create a container. Okay, and next we are creating a rows, and after that only I'm creating a columns. Okay, and after columns I'm creating a icon of in my screen side. Okay, this is a padding, this is a row, I'm creating over the row. After I'm creating a columns, now each columns I'm creating on the call, routine, share, these are icons I will, icon images I will placed on my screen. Clear? Next one is the layer widget steps. Okay, how to widgets will be step by step we will working over there. First one is you have to need to select a layout widgets, and next one you have to create the visual widgets, and third one is you have to add visual widgets in layout widgets. Okay, I'll creating on the icons. Okay, and next one add the layout widgets to the page where you want to display it in your screen. Okay, we have two types of widgets over here. The one is the single child widgets and second one the multi-child widgets. Okay, the single child widgets we have to using a container and padding. Okay, and after the child creation. Okay, and child dot container, child dot padding. Okay, these are the two difference over here. Okay, container will be painting and positioning in your widgets. Okay, the padding will be side of in your where you want to provide in your padding. Okay, you have to creating on the padding side. Okay, this is a difference over. And next one is we will see on the next video. Thank you guys.